Hi, today I'm for the new Motorola One 5G Ace and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So just to do that, we should first press up or down volume button on the right side of our phone. Then you'll see here this bell icon. Click on the bell icon twice. Now we'll switch to the press bell, and this means that the calls and notifications they will be muted. So this means that the silent mode successfully activated. If you want to turn it off, just to turn off the silent mode, click to the silent mode press bell icon once again, and now our calls and notifications will ring, so that means that the silent mode successfully disabled. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.